Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Nothing Phone 1 green tint issue or screen completely flickering and how we can fix this up. So some users having green tint or some users end up in having a flickering. So how we can completely fix this issue? So the first one is all about what you need to do is we just need to make sure that you have to update your software. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to About Phone. Now from here go to over here, go to Nothing OS and make sure if you're having any kind of update, just update your Nothing Phone. Once after that you're done with the Nothing updating the software. Once after updating the software, if the issue is still persisting, then you can try the next step. Next step is nothing but, so next one is all about we have to do a restart on your Nothing Phone. So to do a restart you have to press two buttons. Press the volume rocker, volume up followed by the power button. So just press both the button together. So when you do this, you'll be getting this option. And now we have to tap on the restart. So do a restart on a Nothing Phone. Once after with the restart, see whether the issue is solved or not. If still the issue is persisting, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about we have to make a few change in the developer option. That is, just go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down. First go to About Phone. First go to System over here, not in the system. First go to About Phone. Go to System over here. Tap on the build number over here for 7 times and make sure that you are a developer. Right now I'm getting a message that I am a developer. So once you cross check yourself that you are a developer, once after that you have to go back. Keep going back once again. Go to System. Now tap on the developer option. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to over here under drawing. You will be getting one option. So keep scrolling down. Over here in the drawing you can see there are options which is called show layout bounds. This one should be turn it off. If it is turned on, you will be having this trouble. If you turn on this one also, you will be having this trouble. So what you need to do is we just need to make sure that you have to turn off both these things. And also keep in mind, if you scroll down a little bit, you will be getting this option called show view updates. If you turn it on this, you will be having the options like this as well. So you have to keep in mind, you have to turn this on off as well. So under the hardware accelerating rendering, you have to turn off show view updates. And also over here you have to make sure that over here in the case you have to turn off if all these things are turned on. Along with this one, you will be having all these kind of issues. So what you need to do is just turn this off. You have to cross check from your side that you have turned it off these things. So once you turn with all these things, you have to go back and most probably the issues will be the green tint issue and screen flickering with these pink will be completely fixed. Once after that you tried with this, the last step is all about you can reset completely. You can do a factory reset completely. You can erase everything from here on the Nothing Phone. So just go over here, tap on the settings, keep scrolling down and go to System, go to Reset option, go for erase all data, factory reset. You can tap over here and everything will be wiped out. So once you're done with this one, you have to go back and most probably the issue regarding this has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in a video. Peace out. Bye bye.